Hello, my name is Anthea Roberts. I'm an academic at the Australian National University, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a book I published last year in 2017 called Is International Law International? Now, this is a book that actually really came from my experiences as an international lawyer, studying in multiple states, working in multiple states, and then teaching in multiple states. And what I came to realize as I moved around is that I had always assumed that international law was universal. I was very familiar with the concept of comparative domestic law, and that's because with tort law or with contract law, we often assume that laws will be similar or different in different countries, and so we have an idea of comparing them to see what's the same and what's different.